Welcome the R channel. Today we how to download Rclone for VPS Cloud Backups integration step by step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Rclone website at rclone.org. Once on the website, locate the download section. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system. If you're using a VPS with Linux, select the Linux installer. For Windows VPS, select the Windows installer. You may also find options for Mac, FreeBSD, and other systems. Click on the download link for the selected version. Wait for the download to complete. Once the file downloads, open your terminal or command prompt. For Linux, you may need to navigate to the download directory. Use the cd command to change to the directory where Rclone is downloaded. Extract the Rclone archive using the appropriate command. For example, use tar-xzf rclone current Linux amd64.zip for Linux. For Windows, you may need to unzip using File Explorer. After extracting, locate the Rclone executable file. You may want to move it to a directory in your system path. For Linux, use the command sudo mv rclone/usr/bin/. For Windows, you can paste it into a directory like c:\program files\rclone. Next, verify the installation. Open your terminal or command prompt and type Rclone version. Press enter to check if Rclone is correctly installed. Now it's time to configure Rclone for your cloud backup. Use the command rclone config to start the configuration process. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your cloud storage options. Select the type of cloud storage you want to connect. Enter the required credentials as prompted. Once you've set up the configuration, write down the name of your remote. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.